Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and secure in corona pandemic. I am Dr. Sunita Jadhav here to present research work entitled Sulfosalicylic acid mediated induction of PR proteins in groundnut. Salicylic acid is an important signaling molecule. It plays an important defensive role in plants against various biotic and abiotic stresses. Salicylic acid has drawn the attention of researchers due to its ability to induce systemic acquired resistance in plants. There are 33 analogues of salicylic acid. Sulfosalicylic acid is one of the derivatives of salicylic acid. Although salicylic acid and its related compounds are well known for inducing various physiological and biochemical processes in plants, little is known about sulfosalicylic acid effects. There are several biotic, abiotic, and socio-economic constraints which limits the productivity of groundnut. Unpredictable nature of rain and pests and diseases are two predominant constraints. In order to mitigate these limitations, the adoption of technologies are essential which can help to achieve higher yield potential. In this view, a field experiment was undertaken to evaluate the possible involvement of antioxidative enzymes and lipid peroxidation in a sulfosalicylic acid mediated induction of pathogenesis related, that is PR proteins in a groundnut. The seeds of groundnut cultivar SB11 were procured. The experiment was laid out in a randomized complete block design with 3 replications. 15 days old plants were spread with different concentrations such as 5, 50, 100 and 200 ppm sulfosalicylic acid in 3 doses by keeping 4 days interval. The parameters such as lipid peroxidation, antioxidative enzymes like catalase, peroxidase, superoxide dismutase, and leaf protein profile were studied following these methods. The results showed that all the applied concentrations of sulfosalicylic acid increase lipid peroxidation and activities of peroxidase and superoxide dismutase. In particular, the treatment of 50 ppm sulfosalicylic acid found better influence. In contrast to it, the activity of enzyme catalase was decreased with all the applied concentrations of sulfosalicylic acid. The induction in lipid peroxidation is closely associated with catalase inhibition. The protein profile revealed appearance of relatively predominant PR protein bands in 5 and 50 ppm sulfosalicylic acid treated plant leaves. The detected protein bands are generally belonging to the PR1 and PR2 families having chitinase and glucanase activity. It signifies the protective role of sulfosalicylic acid against pathogenic infection. Sulfosalicylic acid treatment may enhance H2O2 production by inactivation of H2O2 degrading enzyme catalase, which further enhance generation of active free radicals of salicylic acid as indicated in this pathway, to initiate lipid peroxidation and activation of PR genes expression. Thus, sulfosalicylic acid generated lipid peroxidation may act as a translocated signal that can induce PR genes and establish systemic acquired resistance in a groundnut. On the other hand, second possible mechanism is that the reduced catalase activity due to sulfosalicylic acid treatments could increase the endogenous levels of hydrogen peroxide and reactive oxygen species, which serve as secondary messenger to induce PR proteins. The results pertinent to the induction of PR proteins and lipid peroxidation signify that lipid peroxidation may possibly work as secondary signal transducer that would display induction of pathogenesis related proteins and establish systemic acquired resistance in groundnut to possible opportunistic pathogen attack. Thank you.